Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sam, and today I'm going to share with you some stuff that I purchased on Amazon and Shein. Like you can see, I already opened most of them, but I still decided that I want to share them with you guys. So the first thing I have here is, oh my god, a beanie. So the beauty about it, it's not like when I was in Jamaica. I never used to wear them something. You could have never ever catch me wear a hat on my head, like, but you know you're in a different country, different weather and everything, so you have to adjust. And you need, this is really good because it can cover your ears. It is long enough to cover your ears, because sometimes when the place is really cold and you cover your fingers and your ears, and sometimes my mouth, my lips, my nose burns and everything. So you want to make sure that you cover and shield as much as you can of your body parts. So this was the first thing. I previously purchased some of them and I loved them, and I saw this color. I was like, oh well, I get this one, and they're really cheap. I pay like $1.50 or $2 for this on Shein. Then I got this earmuff, and I thought this was adjustable, but apparently it is not adjustable. So I'm gonna have to wear it like this. But the good thing is that it covers my hairs, which is the main reason why I bought it, to take some of the cold from my hairs. But it is really warm. The fabric or material, whatever you call it, is really soft and nice. And I think I paid $5 for this. When you're in Canada, even on a hot day, well, it is hot to Canadians, but to us, it is cold. So even on a regular day, it is cold for me. I'm always cold, by the way, so it is nothing new. So imagine me being in Canada. So I got that. And now, so you know, girl, like Canada. And not because you're not in your own country, you're gonna come here and look like you're the worst. Certainly not. So I went and I purchased these press-on nails, because it's not like when you're in Jamaica and you can get your nails done for like $3,000, $4,000. It's really expensive here. So thank God for press-on nails. I think I got these for like $1.50, I think. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, these are the press-on nails. And it comes with the paste in them, so you can easily install them on your fingers. So I got a few more items from Shein, but they're upstairs. I didn't remember to take them down, so that's fine. Then I purchased some stuff on Amazon. I got this face moisturizer because my face tends to get really dry, and I know it's because of the weather. And I'm trying this for the first time. I don't know if it is going to work, but I won't know unless I try, right? So, alright, let me give it a drama. So I purchased a winter boot, right? The other day when it was snowing, I wore that boot to the mall. And before I was halfway on the journey, my feet were all cold and it felt as though the shoes was wet. So I was like, oh, this is definitely not a winter boot. And I have to go and find a new one, so that when the weather, when it's starting to snow more, at least my feet can be warm. Because it's not nice being at school the entire day with cold feet. Nobody wants to experience that. So I went to Mark's, and apparently they claim to be having Black Friday sales. And I tried a winter boot that I really love. But when I looked at the price, it was like 200, and it was two of them. One was for $264 and one was for like $200. I was like, yeah, it's worth it, but I don't want to spend so much on a winter boot at the moment. And you know what I do? The Jamaican in me, you know what I did? I took the picture of the model number and everything. You can see it there on your screen. On my screen, yeah, I took the model number of the boots, and I tried and make sure I know which size fits me. And then I went on Amazon and I searched for that boot. I searched for that boot and I found it and I ordered it. And because it was Black Friday sales, I got it for way less than what I would have paid for it if I had gotten it at Marks. So I saved quite a lot. I think I probably saved $100 or, and I probably more, because that was the amount, the figures that I was telling you, the $264 and the $200 for the two boots. That was before tax. So you can only imagine how much it would have been after tax. So now let me show you. Oh my God. So this is the winter boot, and like you can see, it has the fur, is it fur? Yeah, inside. And I wanted something like this because I wanted it to come up as far as possible on my foot, so it is closer to my knee, because it is really cold, guys. Like sometimes when I'm wearing my pants, I can literally feel every breeze through my pants. And I did purchase some thermal tights, but they didn't fit well, so I need to go and find some. But yeah, you can see the grip on this, really good grip. I just hope it is durable, but if not, it will work for the time being. Yeah, so that was that. And I also purchased this body lotion. You can see I haven't opened them. I opened the box, but I didn't open from the plastic. I am trying this body lotion for the first time. I am hoping that it will work for my skin. Yeah, so it's new stuff. You have to try things sometimes. You won't know unless you try them. So now here's the excited part of this all. I purchased my ring light. I did have a ring light before, but I left it in Jamaica, and I decided that myself I like it a new one, because the one I had first, it was much smaller, and yeah, I decided that I was gonna get a new one, and I purchased it on Black Friday, so you know, it was a bit cheaper. I opened this. I already opened it, but like you can see, this is the ring light that I got. I don't know if you can see the name. Yeah. So this is the stand. So it comes in this little bag, which is really cute. And then so this is a tripod, and I thought it was a little bit longer in length, but apparently it's not, but it will do the job. But it can be extended a little, so you can see. And then that's part. And then this is the ring light. I think this was a 10-inch or 12. I don't remember if it was a 10-inch or a 12-inch. Yes, guys, but this is the new ring light that I will be trying out to ensure that you guys get quality videos. So it's a start. So yeah. And then I think in this, it's the little remote that came with it. I don't even know what this is, but I'm going to research it. I'm going to look it up. It says iOS and it does say Android. I don't know what's the purpose of it, but I will figure it out, guys. I will figure it out. And then this is the adapter for the charger to charge it. And yeah, so that's basically everything that I got. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. I just want to say thank you, guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.